we've seen the hashtag that has been trending from yesterday of "We are Kikuyus." We are not going to talk on a tribal line, but we want to make this clear and make a clarion call that we are all Kenyans, and Kenyans shall never be divided by one party or one people who are very angry for power. I believe that William Samoei Ruto has big things for us, and I believe that it's high time we give him time to prove himself as the rightful candidate that was elected by the numbers of the Kenyans. And the point I'm making, the point that I want to make so very clear, the tribal and ethnicity politics must come to an end in Kenya. As a Kenyans, we've come a long way from the early 1960s, and our forefathers have fought for this country to be misled and to be misconducted at this point. I want to tell everyone, Kenya is a country that is governed by rule of law. If you believe that the leadership of William Samoei Ruto doesn't deliver, wait until 2027 in the ballot.
Sisi kama vijana tunasema hatutaki mambo ya ukabila. It has come to our attention and we have seen where the political class is driving the young generation. They have started to play a tribal politics. And the tribal politics is being played by a certain community. Though I know it is profiling the community, but I must speak about it because it is going to make our nation to be at mess. The issue that we are all Kikuyus. Kenya belongs to 43 tribes, and each and every citizen has a right to be part and parcel of this nation. So we are saying,
Sani kore kagingeo ni we are all Kikuyus. Chien kacha kane gine lodge. Dakne gipare ni juluo bende. Gin part of Kikuyus. Kane gine serikal kendo ne giro dongruok. Ka juluo to nyowe chien. Omi juluo ya uru pachwa kabisa. Matindo. Ni sani jatelo en achiel man His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. Omiyo Ruto e jatelo mosenyisowa ni joluo bende gin achiel kuom jo Kenya.